Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video for the VIVOHOME 3-in-1 6-quart stand mixer. This is the silver version, and I picked this up because I was looking for a new mixer that had some additional attachments and stuff, and I want to give it a try. So let's start off with a quick unboxing so you can kind of see everything you get inside the package. A well-presented box here. Let's give it a try and see what else we got inside. Little confetti kind of action there. Tray here. Work that out. Okay, so here's the unboxed equipment. You have the blender and mixer with the nice bowl. You have a glass blender for the top attachment. You have a meat grinder that attaches to the top here. And then you also have all these different accessories for the type of just how you're gonna process the meat and everything. It's kind of interesting. I got to really learn about that because I'm not really up on the meat grinding. You do have a little egg white separator, and then you have all of your attachments here and a cover. So looking at the mixer, there are suction cups at the bottom. You do have a bundled cord here at the bottom, at the back, so there's plenty of length there. The bowl does lock into place. And then when you lift this button, it releases the mechanism and it'll pop up and then lock into place there. So you can only move it when this is locked. And when you move this, then it can move. Then it locks up and it locks down. The front here has just a part that comes out, and then the back here has an opening for the connection here. This whole housing is plastic, so that is what it is. Let's give it a try and see how it works. Okay, here I'm mixing up some ingredients for baking some cookies, and that's what I've used this primarily for, is to make several batches of cookies. I think I've made anywhere from 9 to 10 batches of cookies, all different recipes, some with different volumes, like were double batches, and this mixer really did seem to handle them well. There was only like one time where it was a really big batch that I needed to spend a little bit extra time kind of helping it incorporate the ingredients. But for the most part, it captured all the ingredients at the bottom, and I did need to come in occasionally and scrape the sides. As you can kind of see on the sides of the bowl there, the ingredients kind of get up past where the mixer can reach, and so or where their paddle can reach, and so that's where I come in and kind of give it a little assistance. Outside of that, I'm pretty pleased with it, and I wanted to give you a opportunity to hear what this motor sounds like when you turn it on. So let's give it a listen. And as you can hear, it's not a bad, it's not too loud, and I've had KitchenAids that I've heard that are way louder. So here's some sped up video of me incorporating flour into the dough so that you can kind of see how it handles that. It does incorporate in the ingredients. It just takes a little time, and as most mixers do. So it works pretty well, and like I said, I've done some batches that were almost like double batches, and the mixer did handle those. I just had to come in from time to time just to incorporate the ingredients, make sure that they were fully mixed, or scraped the sides a little bit. Overall, this has been a fantastic mixer, especially given its value. It's really done well, And even though it's got a plastic housing and stuff, it's a great value mixer and will get the job done. I wish it had one of those paddle scrapers, but overall I'm been very pleased with its performance and how it works. I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks so much for watching.